In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see events in Salesforce. We'll walk through the calendar in Salesforce so you can comfortably find your events, switch between views, and open or remove items when you need to. I'll guide you from the home page using the standard Lightning experience, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to make navigation smoother. Start on the home page. From here, open the app launcher, the grid icon in the upper left. This is the quickest way to get to different tools in Salesforce without hunting through tabs. In the search field or the list that appears, select Calendar. That brings you into the Salesforce Calendar workspace, where your events are organized and easy to scan. By default, you'll typically land on a monthly view. To move through time, use the arrow controls at the top of the calendar. Click the right arrow to move forward, then the left arrow to go back. This is helpful for jumping to next month's meetings or reviewing last month's appointments without leaving the page. Keep an eye on the date displayed so you always know which range you're looking at. Next, look for the View control near the top of the page. This opens options for how your events are displayed. First, choose Day to focus on a single day's schedule. This is perfect when you want to see exactly what's on your plate hour by hour. Then switch to Week to get a broader snapshot across multiple days, which is useful for balancing work and personal commitments or planning travel around key meetings. You can also choose Table if you prefer a list-style view. Table presents each event as a row, making it easy to scan subject lines, times, and related records in a compact format. When you're in the List Style view, you'll see a display selector that lets you switch how the list is presented. Use that to return to the Calendar view when you're done scanning. Toggling between the calendar grid and the list gives you flexibility. Use the grid for visual planning and the list for quick detail checks. To inspect an event from the calendar, click the event tile on the date it appears. A quick preview opens with key details, so you can confirm the subject, time, and related records at a glance. If you need more context, select More Details. That opens the full event record, where you can review everything in one place, including attendees and description. If you need to make a change, open the event and choose Edit. This is where you would adjust the time, description, or related records. Your ability to edit depends on your permissions and whether you own the event. If you decide the event is no longer needed, choose Delete. Salesforce will ask you to confirm before removing it. If you change your mind or just wanted to look, you can close the panel to return to the calendar without making changes. You can repeat this with any other event on your calendar. Click an event to open it, choose Delete if you need to remove it, and confirm the deletion in the prompt that appears. Confirming ensures the event is fully cleared from your schedule, which helps keep your calendar accurate and uncluttered. If you ever need to deselect an item or return focus to the main calendar grid, click anywhere in the empty space on the calendar. Then, when you're ready, click another event to view its details just like before. A few quick tips as you work. Ensure your time zone is correct in your personal settings, so start and end times display accurately. If you don't see an event, check whether you're on day, week, month, or table, and confirm you're viewing the correct date range. Finally, remember that some calendars can be shared or filtered, so what you see may vary based on your team's setup and your access. That's it. You can now navigate the Salesforce calendar, switch views, open details, and remove events confidently.